Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and yeah, as you can probably hear, still not got rid of this plague. Almost, people, almost. But anyway, we're here to have a quick look at this today, the MX Master 2S. Now, it's not the newest mouse in the world, but it's new to me. And I just figured, you know what, I need to get a bit of content, to get these videos rolling out. Here's another quick unboxing to show you what you get inside the box with the MX Master 2S. Now, I will be doing a follow-up video if you want me to, because I've actually got a Mac and a PC right now, and one of the big selling points of this is this here. So you can actually go from one device into, e.g. from Windows to Mac and Mac to Windows, which sounds pretty fantastic to me. So it's got a fast rechargeable battery, holds power up to 70 days on a full charge, dark field high precision tracking, yeah. Unique scrolling experience. Now, I did have the original MX Master, and I loved the whole scrolling around with it, which I'll show you in a moment. And it's hand sculptured shape. Yeah. I think that's pretty much about it. It's got obviously Bluetooth. What you get inside the box. It's got some more information there. Easy switch, dual connectivity, blah 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 blah. Yeah, let's just see what you get inside there. And voila, bam! There is the star of the show. Here's some more information about it as well. If you actually do want to have a diddle along with that one. If you want to pause your screen, you can read it. But anyway, I'm actually going to use my new unboxing tool. Now, this I got from, I think, AliExpress. It's a bit weird. But watch, you'll see how actual cool it is. Now, granted, this might be a bit harder to use it on, but I'm going to try. And what you need to do is basically just get it underneath. Like this. Yep, see that? And then just pull. Clean cut. Yeah. So effectively, you can never really quit yourself. So let's have a quick look. See if you get underneath there. Pull it up. See like how sharp it is. Look at that. Yeah, this is not going as good as well as I expected, has it? I'm going to show you how cool it is actually unboxing stuff. Right, here we go. Boom. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Come on now, let's get it unboxed. As you can tell, I'm a little bit rusty in the old unboxing game, right? Jeez, Sam. Come on, man. And dun dun. Ugh. Done. So nothing else inside that box. We'll put that off to the side. You get your, unfortunately, is a micro USB charging cable. Yeah. Be good if it were Type C. You got your information and all that kind of crap that we never read, so that can get chucked off to the side. And here is the star of the show. And there she is. Must feel. I love the clicks. Right, so I'm just going to bring it a bit closer so you can hear it. Can you hear that? Come on. Oh, it's so satisfying, is that feeling. And you get your little dongle as well. Now, I believe, I might be wrong, and I will come to it in a full review again if you want me to do a full review. I believe you don't have to use this. I think you can just hook it up to via Bluetooth. But if you want to use the Unity thing, I think you've got to use this. But I'm not too sure, purely for the fact that obviously if you're going from one device to the other, you're going to need two of these. So again, it's something I have to look up. But my understanding is that you don't actually need to use this. You can just use the Bluetooth built into, let's say, your MacBook or your, your Windows laptop, etc., etc., or your desktops. So you can probably hear that there. So that's like the little scroller wheel. There's a little customizable wheel there. Another one here. So you actually scroll on it. And I believe it's got a little clicky thing as well. Has it clicky? It might click it, I'm not too sure. It feels really nice and solid though. So on the bottom of here, just tells you it's on or off, easy switching, connecting, I think that's probably just 3 seconds. And yeah, there we go, actually, yeah, look at that, bloody hell, I should have just read that there, shouldn't I? So you put in one of them and you have Bluetooth on the other. So in my case, I can stick this, let's say, into my Mac or my Windows PC, and then use Bluetooth on the other one, and then Bob's your uncle. So we'll just peel this off here, actually. Let's have a look at that dark sensor. Looks like a sensor, doesn't it? Let's be honest. Let's turn it on. I just want to see, because I believe... Oh, yes. It has it, people. Now, again, I used to have this mouse, or the first version of this mouse. And there's some kind of button there as well, I believe. Yeah. Oh, I'm telling you, I'm gonna love this mouse. Anyway, so with the actual scroller wheel, when you just normally going with it, you can probably hear that. If you push it in, you like that normal little. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna bring it close to the microphone. Your normal kind of mouse, and then when you flick it, can you hear that? So I'll show you. Again, normally, just when you flick it, it rolls. Oh, telling you, I absolutely love that. And again, the clickiness of the actual mouse itself. I do like how it feels in terms of just, you know, kind of holding it like that. It does feel very, very natural. So hopefully, I'm going to love it. And I'm pretty sure this is a button here. Is there a button here? If it's not, then it's defective. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get off. I think it's flashing there, number one. I'm just going to set it up, going to play around with it. Oh, there we go. It's actually got buttons here as well. I'm telling you, I should have done a bit more research on it, shouldn't I? But hey, this is the raw unboxings which I like to do. And again, if you want to see a full review, or you want to see me showing you going from a Mac to a PC, then do let me know in a comment down below, and I will do what I can. I do like the look of it, and it feels. You can see like the little patterns on it there. And like the pattern here. It just looks and feels absolutely lovely. Anyway, people, I want to say thank you for watching. If you've got any questions about it or anything else you know what to do by now, you can hit me up in a comment down below. Sorry, almost coughed my guts up there. If you are new to your channel, then you know, hit that subscribe button. Why? It is completely free. And go on, smash the like, because you know you want to. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. It's funny, you never really see me, see my hands, in my next video. Cheers, everyone. It's a damn nice mouse.